Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the poem The Fire and Ice. The Fire and Ice is a short poem that is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born on 26 March 1874 in San Francisco, California. He was famous for his poetry. In this poem, the poet describes that how the world will end. It will be end in fire or it will be end in ice. Now, I am going to read the lines of the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In the first stanza, the poet says that some say the world will end in fire and some say it will end in ice. But he tells that he had tested the human behavior. The human behavior is like fire. Here, fire stands for human desire, passion, greed, avarice, and lust. And ice refers to coldness, rigidity, and hatred. In this way, the poet says that some say the world will end in fire, some say the world will end in ice. But the poet says that he has tasted, he has find out the world will end in fire. In the second stanza, but if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of fate to say that for destruction ice is also great and world suffice. In the second stanza, the poet says that if the world will end in second time, surely it will be end in ice, because ice has also quality of destruction. In this way, we can say both the things are destructive. Here, fire means human desire and ice means hatred. Here, the poet used metaphor in this poem. Here, fire and ice are used as metaphor because human desire symbolizes fire and hatred symbolizes to ice. You can say that fire symbolizes to human desire and ice symbolizes to hatred. Now, I am going to tell the summary of the poem. As you know that Fire and Ice is a short poem that is composed by Robert Frost. In this poem, or you can say that here, the poet refers to two predictions of how the world will end. Here, the poet refers to two predictions how the world will end. Some say it will end in fire, while others say it will end in ice. It means a poet stands for fire, that stand of a fire that desire, greed, avarice, or lust. It means fire stands for desire, greed, avarice, or lust. The more you try to satisfy them, the more they grow. It means if we have desire, if we want to fulfill our desire, the desire will not be satisfied. It will also grow, because desire cannot be satisfied. Desire, if we want to satisfy desire, desire never can be satisfied. It also grow. There is no end of it, because there is no end of desire. They spread rapidly like fire. Desire spread likely fire and engulf your life. One become selfish and sometime cruel also. One becomes selfish, sometime cruel also. On the other hand, according to the poet, the ice stand for hatred, coldness, and rigidity. One becomes insensitive and indifferent towards the feeling of others. The poet says that both ice and fire are growing with such a rapid speed. The poet says that both fire and ice are growing with such a rapid speed that the world would soon perish either way, in fire or in ice. It means the poet said that the world will destroy. One day it will be in ice or in fire. Yeah, you can say that the world will be destroyed in fire or in ice. My dear students, today I hope you have understood something today. Goodbye.